guys, so today I wanted to do a quick little video. I am making yard sale signs for our yard sale tomorrow, and I thought I'd have a little fun with my Cricut. I've never really gotten to make like letters or anything like that with just regular paper, so I'm making a yard sale sign and putting different colors onto the sign. So I thought I would just kind of walk you through my process of that. On my phone, my camera's dead, so we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. So when I try to figure out the sizes to make my letters, I make a square of the size of paper that I'm using, then I make a square of the size of poster board that I'm using. So my poster board is 15 inches by 20, and my paper is 9 inches by 12 inches. So my letters can't be no bigger than 9 inches and 12, or 9 by 12. So I take my lettering and I put it on here exactly how I want it, and I make it about how big I want it. So then, for instance, yard sale, or sale will be right next to yard, just like this. So this is currently the size of the 9 by 12 paper. And then this is the size that will be on here. So in order for this to fit on here, I had to put sale underneath yard. And then I just make sure that I can fit onto my paper. And then, of course, when you go to cut these, you have to either delete these, which I just delete them because I don't need them no more, or you can simply come over here and click the little eyeball and it'll make it go away. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to ask me. I tried to make that as simple as I could, but it could be kind of confusing to others. But I have the yard sale. This and this one will be the same color. I just needed them on separate mats. So instead of taking the hassle of clicking to move to another mat, I just made them different colors, because when you click make it, it'll separate them into different mats. So all I have to do is load the paper up and so on. So we're going to cancel this and exit out, and then I have all these cutted out. I have two boards, so this says yard sale, this is yard sale. Got my address and then the times. So these are nicely cutted into little letters, just like if you were to just buy some letters, you know, at the craft store or something like that. I just made my own. So I'm loading my paper up. This is the color that I'm using the address for. Unfortunately, that this is such a thin paper, sometimes the letters kind of like get cut up a little bit. So I am making a couple extra, just so that way all my little letters and numbers will be cut really precisely. So let's load this up, and hopefully this one works out. Cricut button. Yeah, there it goes. So luckily, actually, I need a 3 for this address. So I'll probably make another copy, just because I don't want the 3s to kind of look like this on my yard sale sign. Hopefully the other letters cut. If this were a actually thick cardstock, it really necessarily wouldn't do that. I have not found a way around that yet, but I do set my dial to cardstock, just because if I were to do paper, it wouldn't cut through enough for me to like peel for these letters to just pop out. This might be a more complicated way to make a yard sale sign. You can just go buy one that says yard sale or garage sale and write your address. I just wanted to kind of be creative, because, you know, when people drive down the road, you know, if it's really creative, I mean, I know I look at them. So that's what I was trying to go for. And I've never really got to use my Cricut for stuff like this, so that's another reason why I am making it. This is just something for fun. I mean, I'm not saying that you have to do it or anything like that. I'm gonna go to the front room where my foam board is, and we're going to hot glue these onto the board, and then once it is done, I will show you guys what it looks like. If you ever glue anything, I always like to put my letters down or whatever I'm gluing down first so I can adjust it, see how I want it before I glue, because if you just kind of eyeball it and glue, it could be crooked or you can spell things wrong. So this is kind of what it's going to look like. I'll probably have to adjust some of the stuff, but it's kind of eye-catching. So when somebody sees this driving down the road, these bright colors against the black will really kind of catch somebody's attention. I did want the address to be a little bit bigger, but it is what it is. So let's get gluing.